Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to be showcasing a new feature launched on Floorplanner.com. Originally, when you upgraded a project to Level 3 presentation, you had a 360-degree panoramic view from every camera angle set in your plan. This was limiting to creators as you could only stand in one spot and view the space around you. We wanted to make plans more interactive for creators, so take a look at our 3D tour. The 3D tour is also fully interactive. You can drag your mouse, double-click the point that you want to move to, or you can use your keyboard to move backwards, forwards, and left to right. This is going to be a great way to showcase your talents when presenting projects to your clients. To upgrade a project to this presentation level, click the project that you want to upgrade, select Presentation. If you have credits, use your credits. If you'd like to pay, you can pay, and click Upgrade. Now you can immediately start transforming your space into a 3D tour. To export your 3D tour, go into your project on the editor, view it in 3D, select Export 3D Image, and choose the VR 3D Tour. It will take an image of the entire plan. That export will send to the email address you have on file and will also be available in the Exports tab of your dashboard. Thank you so much for watching, and we really hope you enjoy this new feature.